My name is Zach Bunting. I'm with Medallion Supply in Visalia, California. I started at Royal Wholesale in Stockton, California, and I moved to the Sacramento area in the form of Rancho Cordova. Spent approximately 2.5 years there, and also worked at various other profit centers or locations like El Dorado Hills, Grass Valley, California, so on and so forth. I was at a career fair at CSU Sacramento and just about to graduate, and there was CED was in attendance. My main influence for joining the CED Manager Trainee program was the division manager out of the Valley Division who was at the career fair. He wanted to teach me the game, so to speak, the strategy involved with business-to-business interactions, and I really like that. I don't believe you need any electrical experience to come into the company and perform very well. Basically, the whole business is broken down, and so there's a foundational approach from book work that combines book work and on-the-job experience in all the different phases of the company. Well, the first phase, you're in the warehouse and you're learning warehouse logistics, customer geographic base, those type of things that are just foundational to understanding the business. Next, you move on to customer service, counter sales, handling incoming customers, electrical contractors, anyone who walks in the door. You're handling those types of interactions. After that, you move on to, you learn accounts receivable, accounts payable, you get some purchasing experience, how to manage an inventory, negotiation tactics with vendors. Then you move on to another form of customer service, which is an inside sales role. The last phase is the outside sales phase, where you're out there building relationships with customers and really putting together everything you've learned on the job and putting it all into action. My favorite phase by far was the outside sales phase because of the freedom it allows and the initiative you can apply. My vision for the company has always been to free up people to take initiative and allow freedom of thought and creativity, and kind of focus the skills that are needed, combining the skills and the freedom to create something unique that creates barriers to entry for the competition. There's infinite support from the CED management team. Basically, they allow you the freedom you need and then the advice when you need it. Steering the current for me means you get to control the direction of the business. And for free thinkers and entrepreneurial types, that's the apex of the industry. That's the apex of a career, to have the freedom to do to steer a business in the direction you want. That's what I consider steering the current.